We get better with age in many things, but research data shows that many people outlive their safe driving lives by 7 to 10 years. On February 21st at 11:30 a.m., the Registry of Motor Vehicles will be at the Pembroke Council on Aging for a Lunch and Learn Safe Driving Decision Workshop. The driving decision includes assessment, RMV policies, warning signs of unsafe driving, and best practices to use when talking with older drivers about their safety and the safety of others. This is an open discussion that will also focus on reporting procedures, information on disability plates, placards, and community transportation resources. Call 781-293-8220 to reserve your spot.
If you enjoyed this video by The Local Scene, please give a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Thank you for watching.